Hello everybody, we're Wormy. We're working to create a closed-loop ecosystem with mealworms. Currently, the problem is 1 out of 5 lettuce in the CEA, which is Controlled Environmental Agriculture, were wasted even before reaching the retail customer. And also, 1 out of 4 fish uses in the livestock feeding were actually wild caught. And our mission is to create a closed-loop aquaponic ecosystem that increases energy efficiency and reduces waste between vegetables, fish, and mealworm production. The traditional aquaponics system is a coupled system which requires a lot of inputs. Despite the energy we have to spend on lighting and heating, we also have to buy a lot of fish feed from outside to feed the fish. Also, we have to input a lot of CO2 to make sure the veggies are grown successfully. Despite all that, the 10 to 20% of the fresh veggies produced are actually going to be wasted before reaching the customer. Herein, we're proposing a decoupled aquaponics system for increased control of nutrient management. First of all, the 10 to 20% of the veggie waste will be used to feed the mealworms, and then the mealworm will be used to feed the fish. And the mealworm frass, which composed of the food debris and worm feces, will be added to the nutrient solution for the plants.
Our system is self-sustainable. According to our calculation, this 50 square meter facility will produce 469 kilograms plant waste, and it will all be used to feed the mealworms. And the 70 kilograms mealworms produced in the system will be used to feed the fish. Then all the waste from fish and mealworm will be circulated to plant nutrient solution. One of the main benefits of our system is cost effectiveness. Fish feed is a big cost for traditional aquaponics, but in our system, by using mealworms, which is a product of wasted lettuce, we can save 25% on fish feed. Also, traditional aquaponics require additional chemical fertilizers because the fish waste doesn't have enough nutrients for the lettuce plants. In our system, the frass from mealworm production can be added to the hydroponic solution and supply additional nutrients, so we can lower the cost on chemical fertilizers. From the sustainability perspective, our system produces zero waste. Secondly, since mealworm requires warm temperatures, by having them next to the plants, they can take advantage of the warm temperature in the greenhouse. Also, plants can take advantage of carbon dioxide produced by mealworms. Lastly, fish produced in our system can be used for livestock fish meal to replace wild-caught fish that is currently used by the livestock industry.
When it comes to the economic impact, a 50 square meter facility, which is about the size of a one-bedroom apartment, can produce close to 5,000 kilograms of lettuce per year, which will be used for the fresh produce wholesale, and close to 200 kilograms of fish per year, which will be used for the livestock and human consumption. Beyond that, we have 3 fundamental advantages. First of all, the system is compatible with diverse environment. It can be fitted into any existing metropolitan settings. It can be built on top of New York City apartments or even on the verge of Buffalo City. Second of all, the system is easy to scale up. You can scale 10 times, 100 times up, bigger than this easily, and also you can simply have more worms to handle the excess amount of fresh produce waste in the grocery store. Last but not least, this system is easy to diversify. You can diversify the type of fresh produce to plant or even the breeds of fish to keep in the ponds.